We are given two lines ax plus 2y equals to lambda and 3x minus 2y equals to mu. Then, which of the following statements are correct? We don't know what is A. A could be anything. It could be 1, 2, 300, whatever. Okay. And lambda and mu also we don't know. Then what can we say about these two lines? Here it is talked about when A equals to minus 3, something, something. When A equals to, A is not equals to minus 3, then something, something. And then when again A equals to minus 3 and lambda plus mu equals to 0, then something, something. And again A equals to minus 3. So here clearly they are talking about something about A equals to minus 3. What will happen? Right. Now, this line, when we make A equals to minus 3, what will happen? This line will become minus 3x plus 2y equals to lambda, which also means 3x minus 2y equals to minus lambda. So we have two equations. 3x minus 2y equals to mu and 3x minus 2y equals to minus lambda. That means these two lines will become parallel, right? Because the slopes are same. Slopes are same, ax minus by, ax minus by. So these two lines are parallel. Okay, so we have actually two parallel lines. Now, when there are two parallel lines, obviously they will not meet, right? Obviously they will not meet. So then here what they are saying, v equals to minus 3, then the system has infinitely many solutions for all values of lambda and mu. So 3, so for example, 3x minus 2y is 4 and 3x minus 2y is 7. These two are proper parallel lines, they will never meet. So obviously there is no question of even having a single solution when lambda and mu are different. So they will never intersect because both are parallel lines. So this is definitely wrong. Now, when a is not equal to minus 3, then the system has a unique solution for all values of lambda and mu. When a is not equals to minus 3, what does that mean? What does that mean? Then these two lines are definitely not parallel. So this becomes, instead of 3x, it will become, let's say, 5x minus 2y plus 2y, whatever, whatever. So definitely when a equals to minus 3, these two lines are parallel. When a is not equals to minus 3, there is no way these two lines are parallel. So when they are not parallel, obviously they have to meet at some point. At some point, they will go and meet. So that means they will always meet and there will always be one intersection point. Right. So there will be unique solution for whatever value of mu and lambda. So this statement is correct. The third statement. So we have these two lines, right? Uh, 3x minus 2y equals to minus lambda, 3x minus 2y equals to mu. What does that mean? When minus lambda is equal to mu, what does that mean? Both lines are same. When minus lambda is equal to mu, we are not talking about two different lines then. That is, when lambda plus mu equals to 0, we are talking about the same line. Same line, it is represented as 3x minus 2y equals to minus of minus 2 and 3x minus 2 equals to 2. We are talking something in this format, right? So when minus lambda is equal to mu, right? So then both lines are exactly same and any point on this line will be satisfied, right? So that means when lambda plus mu equals to 0, that means you are talking about only one line and on that line, any point you take that will satisfy the line. So we have infinitely many solutions. And when lambda plus mu is not equal to 0, that means these two are two different lines and they are parallel to each other, which is same like what we have discussed in A, and that means they will never meet. And lambda plus mu is not equal to 0, that means these are two different lines where A equals to minus 3. So they will never meet. So this is other way of saying what we have told in A. Right, when A equals to minus 3, it has infinitely many solutions for all alpha and for all lambda and mu. This here we are saying the opposite, so that's why this is true. When lambda plus mu is not equal to 0, that means these two are two different lines, two different parallel lines, right? Because A is equal to minus 3. So they will never meet. So the correct answer is A is wrong, B and B, C, D and are correct. Right, guys. This is an advanced problem in 2016. Pretty straightforward, easy problem. Only thing is we need to identify that these two are parallel lines when A equals to minus 3.